Let's make some nice. These are breasts, so we're making tenders. I got my ingredients in here. You know what I put in here? A lot of they're just tomatoes and then garlic and then baking flour. I have some cayenne and then I have some lemon. I hope it works together. There is a tomato in here for the juice. Let's go. Okay, we got my butter in here. I got some sugar. We got some salt. I got cayenne in here. I got lemon pepper. I am using butter, you can see it's there, and then some lemon, and in here we have flour, a tomato, and ketchup, and mustard, and baking flour. Oh, it froze again. Okay, it's ready. We gotta use this guy here. Okay. We left some in here. Okay. It's on. What's going on? Yo, look at that. Ooh. Chickadee, chickadee. Yep. Keeping up with this protein is a full-time job. Aye. That's ready. Cubes. They look ready. It's going down. There is a lot of stuff at the bottom. However, this is what we made. These are healthier nuggets. Oh, I used chicken breast. This is the rest of the buttered chicken. They taste so good. This is the rest of them. Excuse my excessive use of butter. However, it's worth it, trust me. Alrighty. That is. Where is the thing? My bad. Okay. They look ready. Is it ready or not? Here we go. There. The healthier way to make these slices of chickadee. Healthy, better, seasoned, perfect. Bon appetit.